good morning once again. So last class we did up to question number 3. Now I'll start from question number 4. Yes, now here we go question number 4, 5, 6, 7. The next class 8, 9, 10, 11 in this way. Then in next 4 classes, next 3 classes, we'll finish our this whole exercise. So now question number 4. Question number 4. Diagram is given. TQRS. Angle 1 equal angle 2. QR by QS equal QT by PR. And angle 1 equal to angle 2. To prove that triangle PQS, something wrong, but this one wrong, this one S, this one R. To prove that triangle PQS, to prove that triangle PQS, single triangle PQR. Okay, now see, this is a given diagram where these are equal ratios given, and these two angles, angle 1 equal to angle 2 given. So we will use this condition to prove that triangle PQS, single triangle PQR. Okay, now prove in triangle PQR, angle 1 equal to angle 2, which is given. Now see, in triangle PQR, if angle 1 and angle 2 these are equal, then what are the opposite side to equal angles? The side opposite to angle 1 is PR, and the side opposite to angle 2 is PQ. Problem is sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Done. So PR equal to PQ. Now QR by QS equal QT by PR. Now see, PR equal to what? PR equal to PQ. So we replace PR by PQ. QR by QS equal QT by PR equal to how much? PQ. Yes, done. Now see, what is the angle opposite QR and QT? QR and QT. QR and QT, the angle between them is 1. Similarly, the angle between QS and PQ, QS and PQ, between them also angle is 1. So angle 1 is common. Angle 1 equal to angle 1. So triangle PQS similar triangle PQR. Side, angle, side. Done. PQS similar triangle PQR. Understood? This is the solution. Done. Now we'll do question number 5. Question number 5. S and T are points on the side PR and QR of triangle PQR. Okay, now we will draw a triangle PQR. What? S and T are points on PR and PQR. PR and QR. S and T. Such that angle P equal to RTS. Angle P equal to angle RTS. These two angles are equal. Prove that a triangle RPQ is similar triangle RT. Simple. In triangle PQR, S and T are 2 points on PR and QR such that angle P equal to angle RTS. To prove that angle triangle RPQ equal to similar triangle RTS. RPQ similar triangle RTS. RPQ similar triangle RTS. So proof. In triangle RPQ and RTS. In triangle RPQ and RTS. See, angle RPQ equal angle RTS, which is given. These two angles are given. Now in both the triangles, angle R is common. RPQ and RTS angle R is common. Done. Therefore, triangle RPQ similar triangle RTS by angle. Done. This is the solution. Simple question, simple solution. No solution. I make the video short because now your course is almost done. Only few parts are left, 3 chapters are left. After this exercise, only 3 chapters are left. Construction, it will take 2 classes, 2 or 3 classes, 3 classes maximum. Stage 5 or 6 classes. Then probably 2 classes. So after within 12 classes, your course will be finished. That's why. 12 classes means 3 weeks. September will get another 2 weeks, then October finish. Then that's why I'm making a video shorter. Question number 6. In the figure, if triangle AB convert triangle ACB, okay, diagram is the diagram. ABE congruent triangle ACD. Show that question. Given triangle ABE congruent triangle ACB. And what to prove? To prove that triangle ABE. Similar triangle ABE is triangle ABC. This is the question. Okay, now see, if triangle given, what is given? Triangle ABE congruent triangle ACD given. That's why AB equal AC, BE equal CD, and AE equal to AB. A equal to AB. Now we are going to prove what? ADE, ADE and ABC. So see, in triangle ADE and ABC, ADE and ABC, which are the same side on the same sides. In triangle ADE and triangle ABC, AB and AB, these are the sides on the same sides of the larger triangle. So AD by AB equal, AD by AB equal what? AE by AC. Yes, they are same or not? Because if this one is 2, this will be 2, this is 3, this is 3. So 3 by 2 equal to 3 by 2. And now see what is the angle between AD and AE. Angle between AD and AE. AD and AE is angle A, and AD and AC is angle A. So angle A equal to angle A, which is common. Therefore triangle ADE similar triangle ABC by side angle side. So they are similar. So this is the solution. Understood? First of all, by using the condition which is given that these two triangles are congruent, we will get that this equal to this equal to this, and A equal to AD. Then we will prove that AD and ABC are similar. So the sides are AB and AB. So we will find out a ratio, because in similar their sides are in equal, corresponding sides are equal ratios. So AD by AB, find AD by AB. Then see AE by AC. Here also AD by AB and AE by AC, because they are equal sides. So their ratio will be also equal. Means if this one 5, this will be 5. If this one 3, this will be 3. So 3 by 5 equal to 3 by 5. 3 by 5 equal to 3 by 5. They may be different, maybe 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2, but they are same. And the angle between AD and AE, angle A, and angle between AB and AC is angle A. So they are similar by side angle side. So first note down the solution. In the next class we will do few more questions, 3 or 4 more questions. It will take a short 2 or 3 classes more.